Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download 1031 Exchange timeline tools with IPX1031, full guide step by step clearly. To download the 1031 Exchange timeline tools with IPX1031, first, open your preferred web browser on your device. Type IPX1031.com in the address bar and press enter. Once the website loads, navigate to the main menu found at the top of the page. Look for the section labeled Resources and click on it. In the drop-down menu, find the option for 1031 Exchange Tools. Scroll down to locate the timeline tools specifically designed for 1031 exchanges. When you find the timeline tools, read the descriptions to understand their purpose. Select the timeline tool that best suits your needs. Click the download button associated with the selected tool. A prompt may appear asking where to save the file. Choose your desired location on your device and confirm the download. Once the download is complete, navigate to the location where you saved the file. Double-click the downloaded file to open it. Review the contents to ensure it meets your requirements. If necessary, print the timeline tool for your records and planning. You are now equipped with the IPX1031 timeline tools for your 1031 exchange. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the tools for optimal use in your transaction process. That concludes the download process for the 1031 Exchange timeline tools with IPX1031. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.